Hello students, my name is Mr. Hancock and I'm going to be your geography teacher. First thing you want to do is come into your class here. There will be class announcements on this page, so this is a good way for me to get information out to you regarding the class. What I want you to do is just familiarize yourself a little bit with how this works. There's basically two tabs that I use a lot. Well, the first one is coming into the class, looking at the announcements. This video will be posted here, as well as some other things. First thing I want you to do is look at the plan, okay? And this will have the calendar out here. Now, right now I don't have anything set as of yet, but you will have due dates that are in here. And so you really want to go by these due dates and make sure you're following and keeping pace with the class. Now the class is what's called a block class. So we basically do a semester's worth of work in a term. So we have about so we start on the 21st of August and we go to about the 31st. So that would be the first term. That's going to be our first block. And then I'm going to reuse this video as well, so we'll go from there. Second block, third block, fourth block. But you'll see the difference here, like how to keep pace with the material. The next one is the content. And so this is where all the information is stored. Okay. So what I want you to do here first is keep note as we go into course materials, teacher contact information. So this is me right here. So there's a couple ways that you can contact me. First off is by email. If you want to do email, my email's right here. The second off is my phone. This is my office phone. Sometimes I don't always answer it, but I will get back to you. So you can either leave a message, or so you can call, or you can give me a text as well if you'd like to. Here's a new one that I'm doing this year as well. It's to sign up for office hours. So I have office hours, times I'm available to sit with you one-on-one in my live lesson room or speak with you on the phone. And this is for learning coaches as well. But what you can do is you can go in here and you can just click on a time. I have them on 15-minute increments where I can meet you in my live lesson room, or I can give you a call, whatever you want to do there. And I will have like a one-on-one chat with you to go over content, how the class works, projects, that kind of thing. So those are some things right there. So let me go back to the content real quick. And we have 5 units that we go through in the class. Okay, so we have geography, like an introduction to geography. We're going to go over North America, Central America, South America, and Western Europe. So let's just kind of go into the first introduction here. So I will have classes. Classes are on, I believe, Wednesday. So Wednesday I have my class at 3 o'clock, and that will be a live class. And then I'll have a flipped class, which is just basically a recorded class on Friday. And basically it's just watching these recordings right here. So I have, as you can see here, different lessons within here. So 1.01, 1.02, all the way to 1.06. And that's the same format in every unit. So in each unit, you will have 2 quizzes after each, for 2 lessons. So if you'll see right here, if you just follow the format, you have Geography Lesson 1. So if I click on here, this is actually a video that will pop up. And this will go over the material in 1.01 and 1.02, okay? And then after you watch this video, you'll want to go over these sections right here. These are, let me just click on this one so you can take a look and see what it's like. They're basically modules that you'll read and get more information about what we're talking about, okay? So you'll read here, then you'll just click over, read read more about. This one talks about physical geography. And I'm going over this briefly in the video, but this will give you more detail and more stuff to research as you're going through there. So as we're coming back, you'll want to go and take the quiz. So after you've done the video, these two modules, and of course I'll have my live class that you can go and we'll talk more about stuff and do more interactive stuff there. You'll take the quiz. Okay, quiz are usually about 5 to 6 questions regarding the material that's in here. Okay, you can take those as many times as you want to get the score that you desire. Also, for extra credit, I have exit tickets after every 2 lessons here. So if you click on here, that's going to open up my exit ticket. And so you can come right here, you just fill in what you have here, and by filling that out, that will give you some extra credit towards your grade. So that is something that you'll want to do. So each of them is broken down like that. Now the other thing that will happen is at the end of each unit, instead of having a quiz on 0.06, so 2.06, 3.06, you're going to have some sort of assignment or project. This one right here is a writing assignment, and so if you click right here, you'll come in here and you can click and get your instructions and examples. And I'll be sending out more information about this as well. But it just kind of gives an example of how you do your research, where you do your research at, what I'm looking for, and there will be more to come as we're going through the class of what that's supposed to look like. So that is basically the breakdown. So each unit is exactly the same format. You'll just have different quizzes and different projects at the very end. And I will be going through all of these and keeping you updated as we work our way through the block. So once again, if you do have any questions or worries or anything like that, please contact me. I'm going to put my contact information again right here. You can book those office hours with me, or you can call, text, or email me. Hope you enjoy the class, and we'll hopefully speak with you soon.